Hey, Mr. Fix-It coming at you this Memorial Day weekend, Friday. Hey, everybody, congratulations. We can finally go out and we can see other people, talk to them, do things without your mask if you're in that situation. Look, this is a review on a privacy cloth, okay? So this came all wrapped up in plastic. This plastic here was banded up with 3 bands. Okay, but this is actually 5 by 50. Okay, now we actually had a cloth like this that, I don't know what happened to it, but we have another one now, so that's great. But what we do, we have an RV, when we park sometimes, we don't feel comfortable, and so we put this up for privacy. We have a dog, and also, she gets bothered by every dog that walks by, so it's kind of nice to have her own little area. And for some reason, sometimes you get, a neighbor who, has to watch what you do. I've been working on it, doing a project, and I look up and there's somebody standing there, and who knows how long they've been there, but hey, I don't like it. So it's always nice when you announce yourself instead of staring for like 10 minutes and then I look up and there you are. But anyway, I don't like it. So, sometimes what we'll do, I carry lightweight posts, pound them in the ground with a hammer. Then I take this, and it's got hoops on it, but in case the hoops don't line up with the posts, this cloth actually came with ties. So you can take these ties. I bought a separate pack with the other cloth, but this cloth has ties with it. So what you do, the material is pretty thin, and it has spaces in it, so you can actually stick the tie right through. I don't know if you can see that or not. You stick it right through and wrap it around your post, okay, and push it through. Pull ties they are. So you push it through around the post, and then you stick it together and pull it, and you got an instant privacy fence. I mean, it's not, going to stop a cougar from coming through or a black bear, but, at least it's going to give you privacy. When we sit out sometimes, we like, to have a little privacy, and it makes us feel more comfortable and more relaxed. Also, there's many uses for it. Another use you could use it for is if you have a pool cage, and let's say your wife or your daughters want to lay out, sunbathe, and they really don't want an audience. There's some men that just can't help but look. But anyway, it's 5 feet high. You can get it in different sizes too. This is 5 by 50, but you can get different sizes, and also you can get different colors. So I happen to like green, so I got green. But anyway, what you can do, same thing. You take this and you take your ties. You take your ties into the screen on your screen room. You punch it through, and you might need somebody on the other side to help you push it through the other side. Okay, but you kind of sew it into the screen, and voila, you got yourself an instant privacy. It's 5 feet high. They still got the sun all above them that's going to shine on them and make them bronzy. But you have this area, and you don't have to do the whole thing. Just do the area that's affected, where they may be comfortable. It may not even be a neighbor. It may just be that, your wife or your daughters or whoever, your girlfriend, they don't want, they want the privacy for that occasion. You could have a party or anything, and, you got a section where you want privacy. Hey, when you're done, you can cut the ties and take it down. Voila, you got your pool cage back the way it was. It's just the different uses that this thing, has. And if you have one, I'm sure you would find, something that it would be good for. I'm not saying go out and buy one for no reason, but there are many reasons. And let's say you got a 50-foot fence on the side of your property. It's chain link and you want some privacy. Just buy one of these. It's cheaper than getting a wood fence put up, and put your fence up. put your cloth on your fence again, sew it around the chain links, okay, and you got like an instant fence and privacy, and you can, you feel comfortable and less stress. So everybody, be safe out there. If you got any questions on this or anything, leave it in the comments. I got my Home Depot Seeds hat on, which this is. It's actually a pro hat, but it's my good luck hat, all right? But anyway, leave your questions in the comments, and it's great that you came to watch my video. If there's anything I can help you with, leave it in the comments. I'll get back to you. Any questions on anything having to be handyman related. But thanks for coming. Like, subscribe, and share the video. And guys, go out, have fun, and treat everybody with respect. And I know that some of these people are being nuts, but I mean, we're finally out, so let's celebrate, and let's not celebrate by causing trouble. Let's celebrate by by being happy and being friendly. This is all I got for today. Like and share. I'm out. Mr. Fix It.